So we developed the Fusion Smile system to create a more seamless process between the surgical specialist and the restorative and prosthodontic specialist all in one center. So as soon as you get to our office, you're greeted by our implant and treatment coordinators, our surgical team, our prosthodontic team, and from the time you come in the back, we take imaging, we take impressions, we take CBCTs, we have all of the cutting edge equipment in our office, one stop, and everything's designed to give you all the information and talk together as patients, doctors, surgeons to give you the best care possible in one visit. We've eliminated a lot of the post appointments to discuss treatments, to discuss options, and we've refined it to where in one day we have a treatment plan that everybody agrees upon, everybody's happy with, and you're going to get the optimal result from our plan and achieve your wants and needs for your oral health, your implant treatment, your surgical treatment, and your restorative treatment.